Polycarbonate Snap-On, snap-off lens, no screws. Special Packard Metri-Pack connector. Combination side marker lamp and reflex reflector lens. Mounts left or right. Unbreakable, easy bulb replacement, one lens sealed, one lens snaps on off. Truck-Lite began with an ingenious idea that sparked a revolution in truck and trailer safety lighting. Tackling the problem of the short life of trailer lights, founder George Baldwin designed the first sealed marker light, using his kitchen sink for quality control. That first light was a commercial success, and Truck-Lite released the industry's first sealed stop, turn, tail light soon after. Since then, Truck-Lite has grown into an international company with over 3,000 employees. Truck-Lite has a history of firsts, including the first sealed lighting products, the first LED ST lamps for commercial vehicles and the first LED forward lighting for both military and commercial vehicles. All these firsts represent major industry breakthroughs, but being first isn't enough. Our goal, from design to installation, is to deliver the best. Our products have been copied time and time again, but our superior quality has never been met by others. Top reviews from the United States. Good purchase. Bought these to replace faded, cracked signals on a 2006 C5500. Half the price of the GM part, but from the same manufacturer, Truck-Lite SignalStat. Mounting studs are slightly smaller than OE, but these come with washers and nuts so you can replace all hardware too. Same electrical plug as OE. Box says made in USA. Very happy with this purchase.